Good morning students and welcome to video lecture on health and diseases. Health and diseases. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-beingness and merely the absence of disease. Then disease क्या है? Condition of disturbances in physical or psychological processes of body called as diseases. Each disease has its own specific symptoms. Then types of diseases. Diabetes, common cold, asthma, Down syndrome, heart diseases are the various diseases. Symptoms of all diseases are different. Types of diseases according to duration and according to reasons. So according to duration, 2 chronic diseases and acute disease. According to reasons, there are 2 hereditary diseases and acquired diseases. Acquired diseases are of 2 types, infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. Infectious disease example, common cold, flu, dengue, and non-infectious diseases example diabetes and heart diseases. On your page number 6, there are 3 questions. How do the following diseases spread? Number 1, hepatitis, malaria, scabies, TB, dengue, dysentery, ringworm and swine flu. And what do you mean by infectious disease? Diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors. In vector, insects and other animals are called as infectious diseases. Infectious diseases. In your textbook, tuberculosis. Causative organism, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Mode of transmission, cough, sneeze droplets, contaminated milk. Control, use of antibiotics. Prevention, awareness to maintain cleanliness in public places and BCG vaccine for children. Then hepatitis. Hepatitis is also known as jaundice. Causative organism, hepatitis virus A to G. Mode of transmission, contaminated food and water. For some form, through body fluids. For other, bite of or other. Then control, rest, antiviral injection, food rich in carbohydrate, prevention, good sanitation, safe drinking water, use tested needles and syringe. Now next is diarrhea. Causative organism, protozoan, bacteria, viruses. Mode of transmission, contaminated food and water. Control, ORS or salt sugar solution. Prevention, proper sanitation, personal hygiene. Next is cholera. Causative organism, Vibrio cholerae. Mode of transmission, contaminated food and water. Control, antibiotics, ORS or salt solution. And proper sanitation and vaccination is the prevention of cholera. Now next is typhoid. Causative organism for typhoid, Salmonella typhi. Mode of transmission, contaminated food and water. Control, use of antibiotics. Prevention, proper sewage system using chlorinated or boiled water. These are some infectious diseases. Pathogen, Mode of infection, symptom and prevention of these diseases. The next is some important diseases of present days. First one is dengue. Mosquito lay the eggs in waterlogged places and thereby their population increases. Different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. Dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti. This disease is caused by Den1 2 virus belonging to type Flavivirus. Then symptoms of dengue: fever, severe headache, pain behind eyes, muscles and joint pain, nausea, vomiting, swollen glands, unusual weakness, rash, abdomen pain, cough, loose motion. These are the symptoms of dengue. Then advices: immediate blood test on doctor advice, rest and drink plenty of fluids. Paracetamol can be taken to reduce joint pains, fever. Aspirin or ibuprofen should not be taken. Now next is swine flu. Swine flu common symptoms: fever, runny nose, sore throat, cough, body aches, chills, fatigue, vomiting and diarrhea. Then reasons: infection for swine flu occurs through pigs and women. Viruses of swine flu are spread through sweat of infected person. Similarly, it is spread through secretions of nose, throat and saliva. Next is AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This disease is caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. In this disease, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakening of natural immunity. Diagnosis of AIDS cannot be confirmed without test in medical laboratory. It is caused by HIV. ELISA test for diagnosis of this AIDS. AIDS do not occur due to touching to and sharing the food with HIV infected person or by nursing the HIV patient. Our behavior with HIV infected patient or person must be normal. HIV was first reported in the African species of monkey according to National AIDS Control Program and UNAIDS. 80 to 85% HIV infection in India occur through unsafe sexual contact. Now infection through animals. First is rabies. Rabies is a viral disease. It occurs due to the bite of infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat. Virus enters the brain via neuron. Hydrophobia is one of the important symptoms of this disease. In this case, the victim show extreme fear for water. Rabies is fatal disease. However, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before onset of symptoms. Symptoms starts to appear within 90 to 175 days of dog bite. Then non-infectious disease. Diseases which do not occur through infections and body contact are called as non-infectious diseases. Such diseases arise in human body itself due to certain reason. So first disease is cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. Group or lump of cancerous cell is called as malignant tumor. Cancer can occur in various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, breast, etc. Reason: consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, junk food, and heredity are some of the reasons causing cancer. Symptoms: chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scar and inflammation, lumps in breast, unexplained weight loss. Then treatment: CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy, chemotherapy, and radiation. Prevention: control diet, physical exercise, and smoking. The next disease is diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas control the level of sugar glucose in blood. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. The symptoms of diabetes: always thirsty, blurry vision, wounds that won't heal, vaginal infection, always hungry, always tired, sexual problem, numbness or tingling in hands or feet, frequent urination, and systemic weight loss. These are some of the symptoms of diabetes. And reasons for diabetes: less sleep, obesity, no exercise, junk food, and tension. These are some of the reasons of diabetes. Next is heart disease. Efficiency of heart disease decreases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscle. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. Sign and symptoms of heart attack: heavy chest pain, cold and sweaty, pain in neck or left arm, nausea, sudden onset of symptom, short of breath, more tired than usual, flu-like symptom, feeling of indigestion or heartburn, symptoms for a number of days, heartburn. These are some symptoms of heart attack. And causes of heart disease: diet, diabetes, smoking, gender, lifestyle, genetics and aging. Some of the causes of heart diseases. And medical treatment: medication: aspirin, beta blockers control heart rate, blood pressure, stents, ACE inhibitor, diuretics, calcium channel blockers, nitrates, antiplatelets, and surgery: angioplasty, bypass surgery, open heart surgery, heart transplant, installation of stent, and installation of pacemaker. These are some of the treatments of heart disease. And misuse of medicine: sometimes some people take the medicine without prescription of doctor. Overdose of medicines may affect our body. For example, overdose of painkiller may damage nervous system, excretory system, and liver. Overdose of antibiotic may lead to nausea, stomachache, dysentery, rash, white patches on tongue. Then generic medicines are also known as general medicine. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. These medicines are at par in quality with branded medicine. Production cost of this medicine is very low due to fewer expenses on research, as their formula is readily available. Then lifestyle and diseases. Lifestyle include daily routine and type of food. Nowadays, habit like staying in bed till late morning and going to bed late in night, frequent changes in meal time, lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk food have been increased. Due to this, such people are getting sick frequently. If frequency of becoming sick to be lowered, people should follow right lifestyle. It must include sufficient sleep, right food, yogasans and pranayam. Pranayam and yogasan should be performed under expert supervision. So in this video lecture, I discuss about health, diseases, infectious diseases, non-infectious diseases, misuse of medicine, lifestyle and diseases. Then write down homework. Name any 4 health awareness days. Give full form of AIDS, HIV. Write down importance of blood donation and pranayam. Thank you.